Good morning. Let's learn something new today in data handling and presentation, chapter 4, grade 6 of maths. Collecting and organizing data. Shri Sandhya asked her student about the sizes of the shoes they wear. She noted the data on the board. The data is 4, 5, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 6, 4, 3, 5, 6, 4, 6, 4, 5, 7, 5, 6, 4, 5. She then arranged the shoes of the student in ascending order. So, starting from 3. 3 how many times it's a 1, 2, 3 times. So 3 repeated 3 times. The next number after 3 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 times 4 size of the shoe is there. Next is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times we have written 5. Next number after 5 is 6. 1, 2, 3. 3 times, 4 times 6 is there. Next number is 7. So here only one is number is 7. So arranging of the shoes in ascending order is as below. Let us see questions based on the whatever the arrangement made. Help her to figure out the following. The largest shoe size in the class is, as we have arranged, so shoes of the student in ascending order is 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7. So the largest shoe size is 7, as we are writing it as ascending order. The smallest shoe size is 3. There are 10 students who weigh shoe size 5. Here the count of this one is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are dash students who wear shoe size larger than 4. Larger than 4 means from 5 to 7. So already till 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So therefore there are 15 students who wear shoe size is larger than 4. Let us see question number 2. How did arranging the data in ascending order help to answer these questions? Arranging data in ascending order helps us find the largest shoe size and the smallest shoe size and the shoe size that lies between them. Shoe sizes of the student in ascending order is like this 3, 3 and this one. So if they will ask smallest shoe size, then it says 3, largest shoe size is 7, and this in between also we can find it out. Third question, are there other ways to arrange the data? Answer is yes. Another way of arranging the data is to write it in the descending order. This helps us to identify the smallest size and the largest shoe size and the one which lies between them. Shoe sizes in the descending order is 7, 6, 6, 6, 5, 10 times, then 4, then 3. Fourth question. Write the names of the few trees you see around you. When you observe a tree on the way from your home to school or while walking from one place to another place, record the data and fill in the following table. Which tree was found the greatest number? Which tree was found in the smallest number? Were there any two trees found in the same numbers. The data what I collected from this my observation is people number of trees is 7, neem 6, almond 7, mango 20. So based on my observation, the mango tree was found in this greatest in number. Which tree was found in the smallest? Based on my observation, the neem tree was found in the smallest number, which counts as 6. Were there any two trees found in the same numbers? Based on my observation, the peepal and the almond trees were found in the equal numbers. Was count is 7 of each. Next question. Take a blank piece of paper and paste any small news item from a newspaper. Each student may use a different article. Now prepare a table on the piece of paper as given below. Count the number of each letter C, E, I, R, X in the words of the news article and fill in the table. The table is letter and the number of times found in this news items. Letters are C, E, I, R, X and any letter of your choice. The letter found the most number of items we need to fill and the letter found the least number of items we need to fill. And we need to list the 5 letters C, E, I, R, X in ascending order of frequency. Now we have to compare order of your list with your classmates. Is your order is same as nearly theirs? Why do you think this is the case? Write the process you followed to complete the task and discuss with your friends the process they followed. If you do this task with another news item, what process would you follow? Solution. I have collected the article this one. The solar system is a vast and fascinating region of space dominated by the sun, a glowing ball of hot gas at its center, formed about 4.6 billion years ago from a cloud of gas and dust. The solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets, their moons, and a variety of other celestial bodies such as asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets. From this concept, what are the my letter count is here? C is 8, E is 24, I is 16, R is 12, X is 0. Any other letter of my choice I have taken is 29. A is the alphabet I have taken is A, that is count is 29. So the letter found most number of times is here A, 29. The letter found the least number of times is X because 0. The 5 letters C, E, I, R, X in ascending order of frequency are here. X is 0 times, then C 8 times, R 12 times, I 16 times, E 24 times. So if we observe 0, 8, 12, 16, 24 are in this ascending order. So the relevant characters of this one also. This is X, C, I, R, I, E we have written. Discuss with the friends. To complete this one, I made the tally marks for the given letters C, E, I, R, X. What observation you have to, you can exchange with your friends. Next, if I want to repeat this task, I'll use this concept of tally marks. Thank you.